Hi, this is Manash Patel with IMTF Trade. Today is November 10th. The market moved huge today from currencies to stocks to crypto to futures and stuff like that. The magical question is this real or is this fake? Well, one of the things is a lot of people get lucky, and that's not really what we call trading. One of the things you have to be able to do is forecast moves and be able to have orders out there before they actually occur. One of the things we did in the IMTF program is that we created this black TNT bar. This bar is named after my kids, believe it or not. So this is a forecaster, believe it or not. When you see a black TNT bar here, it tells you there's high probability something's going to happen on the next bar. And what you're looking for is to break the high or low here. So what you look, as I said, the high and low of that TNT bar establishes support resistance. The low is the support, the high is the resistance. What you're looking for is it to break. And that's exactly what happened here. So in this scenario here, New Zealand USD, we were looking for this to sit there and move today. Now, one of the things you do is if it breaks the low, that could be a counter trend trade or a trend trade. The shade tells you which direction. To be successful, you always want to sit there and trade in the direction of the trend. So we're only going to take the trades that break, that are in the direction of the shade. If it's bullish, it's got to break the resistance. If it's bearish, it's got to break the support. So you could see here that this was a major resistance here. Today, as soon as it broke it, that's the opportunity to go long. That basically was telling you that this is bullish, and now that resistance is now support. So we're going to cycle for all the currencies on the daily and kind of show you which ones were ready to play, you should have been looking at to play bullish or bearish today, which was starting off 5 p.m. Eastern yesterday. New Zealand US yen, no. New Zealand USD was one on the list. Australian USD was one on the list. We're just going to put a little green arrow here in those opportunities. And I'll explain why in a minute. Over here, there's nothing there. US CAD, this was here. Pound USD, those bullish. Nothing right there. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing there. Nothing here. This is simple. All you have to do is when the market's closed, all you have to do is on the daily time frame, look for the black TNT bar. Wherever you see that, you know that's the opportunity for next day. It gives you an accurate list of things to concentrate on: currencies, stocks, cryptos, futures, you name whatever instrument around the world. Over here, we're not finding any success here. Now, I understand everything moved, but remember, you can't capture everything that moved. You only want to sit there and take some opportunities here. This was a TNT before, not today. There's a TNT. Nope, that was you today. And no. So these are the instruments here that you had a TNT on. This one you didn't. Oh, I forgot to mark off that. So these are the instruments here. Now the question comes down to is that you broke the resistance, you broke the support to start a possible trend. Doesn't mean that the trend's going to start. The key thing now is that these instruments are bullish. You're in them, okay? But they have to maintain that support or resistance. Here, now, this resistance comes into support. So this will be bullish as long as this holds. So these are the instruments that you could concentrate on in hopefully falling through and not reversing on you. Because a lot of things have moved drastically, and there's high probability that it can reverse. And remember, when things move too fast, that means it's not trending. A nice trend is where it moves, profit taking, moves, profit taking, moves, profit taking. So I want to concentrate on the instruments that where we had a TNT, It was forecast to sit there and go bullish or bearish today, and they broke the support resistance, and they did. And now those are the instruments we're looking for that hopefully will continue the trend going up. Remember, one bar does not make a trend. It makes a series of 3 to 5 or 7 bars. So we want to wait for those opportunities to occur. If you have any questions, you could email us at info@eiicapital.com. You could also join our Telegram free trading room right here. Thank you.